Hello. I don't know why I feel like that. Okay, so what I have in front of me and what I'm going to be talking about in this video is going to be the Naturelle Bioterra Ultra Color Care Shampoo, and it's with Wild Orchid. And it smells amazing. Oh my goodness. And it says that on the bottle that it protects hair vibrancy by over 88%. And the shampoo is paraben and sulfate free. And I kind of just poured a little bit in the top so you can kind of see what the shampoo looks like. So it kind of has like that powdery white clear little look to it a little bit. Oh no, I'm not trying to waste product because I'm definitely going to use this today. And it does smell, how can I provide that smell? You know, it's like it has like a sweet smell, but it's more like a sweet cleansing scent to it. And what I mean by that is like it smells like you went to a salon, you got your hair done just by professionally. It has like the professional hair salon smell to it, like you just washed your hair. Like it just smells so amazing. It smells so fresh. This smell is really durable. Every time when I wash my hair, I personally love when I wash my hair that you can actually smell it. And days prior, regardless of what products I use, I just want to be able to smell what I wash my hair with. And every time when I get out the shower after when I wash my hair, it just always leaves the shower, the bathroom, and my hair just smelling fresh for a good amount of days. And of course I smell other products too, but I just love how this smells. It's to me, I feel like it's something that's strong, but it's durable, if that makes sense. And that's what kind of scent I like. I like shampoos where they do have like a scent to it. I don't know, I just like my hair smelling good. I mean, if it doesn't, then that's fine, but this shampoo actually leaves your hair with that good smell, like I just walked out of a salon type thing. Another thing is that it lathers up really well. I noticed that like the first usage of when I was using shampoo, because sometimes I have to use a little bit more shampoo due to my hair is like thick and it's long. So as I was like just shampooing my hair, like just putting it around my edges and stuff like that, I noticed how it was lathering up very, very, very well. And it was pretty much the rest of the product was kind of like just sliding down the rest of my hair. So I was like, okay, like it's lathering up good like it's supposed to. And I know that when it comes to shampooing, I'm definitely afraid of when my hair is colored. I'm like, oh my gosh, like my whole hair care routine changes, because it's like, okay, when your hair is not colored, it's like you don't care as much as what shampoo or being more conscious. I mean, you should be conscious anyway, but it's just that you're not trying to have your hair color stripped, especially if you paid a good amount of money for it. I mean, of course, some of my hair color, it was going down the drain, but it wasn't like, oh my gosh, like all of it is going out, if that makes sense. Like my hair color was still there. It was still vibrant, still looking fresh, still looking good. I wasn't left with any like patches as far as like, okay, like my hair color is like really coming out. I gotta recolor it like every month or so. So the shampoo definitely does its job, and I really don't have absolutely no complaints about it. The only reason why I just got this small size is because I was just looking for something quick. I was having my hair colored, and I was just kind of like, okay, I need to find something. And the lady was like, okay, you can get this as a little trial, like a travel pack for you. And that's what I needed. So, and that does its job. I mean, I still have some shampoo left, probably from like right here from my first day using it. So, and then on the back, here are the ingredients and what it talks about as far as the shampoo wise and what you do. Okay, and just some information about this shampoo. So like I was saying again, it promotes hair color, but it's supposed to promote for long lasting color. So there's a difference between color and then long lasting color, well, in my opinion. And this shampoo does definitely leave like a deep hydration, and for anybody that has like very damaged hair or dry hair or delicate hair and definitely color hair, this shampoo is definitely safe for you to use. And when I was looking up some information, I don't wash my hair every single day because of the type of texture I have, which is curly and colored, so it's like, you know. But this shampoo that was listed, it was gentle enough for everyday use. So if you're the type of person that wash your hair every day, then, but this shampoo provides like a deep hydration for very dry and damaged hair, and it's fused with 100% more, what is that, monopoles and extracts. So you know, that good stuff, that healthy flowery and ingredients to provide like. And also when I was looking up, it has like Tri-Soy Complex, and which that does is that it which helps nourish hair without creating excess buildup, but also providing that vibrant hair, like keeping your hair vibrant and looking fresh and colored, and won't strip the color out. So yeah, so that's just some information about the Biotera Ultra Color Care Shampoo, and this is the one with Wild Orchid.